In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your microphone not working on Fortnite on your Xbox quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on as well. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if your mic isn't working here in Fortnite on Xbox, there's a few things that you might need to check. First things first, in Fortnite, go ahead and hit the little profile icon, and you need to go over to your microphone tab in your audio first. So select the little settings icon, go to audio, and then scroll down a little bit and check to see if voice chat is actually turned on through the volume right here. Obviously, if the volume's all the way down, you're not going to be able to hear anyone, so that could be why it's not working for you. From here, go over to the communication tab and also enable voice chat in this section and change your voice chat method from push to talk to open mic. You can leave it on push to talk, just check your input and make sure that you have the right button that you're pushing down in order to do that. Usually on a console though, it's easier just to have open mic turned on. And also check to make sure that you're on the right voice chat input and output device, whatever those might be for you. From here, go ahead and back out, and what you're going to want to do is select your profile icon again and make sure that you're in the right chat, whether it's party chat or game chat, depending on what you want to be in. And then make sure you're not deafened or muted here as well. As long as you go ahead and undo that, you're good to go. If you're still having issues, go ahead and check your Xbox settings itself, specifically the privacy settings. You can do this by hitting the Xbox button, going into settings, and then going into account, and then privacy and online safety. From here, go into Xbox privacy and select the details and customize and go to communication and multiplier. And just make sure that communicate with you is set to everyone, and also set the cross network communication option to everyone. If these are restricted, your mic will not work in game chat. As long as you go ahead and do this, you will be good to go. Everything's going to be working for you here in Fortnite. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.